Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. Today is Thursday, December the 7th. We have Chewy, CHWY, pops up in the #1 overall position at TradeAlgo.com on our main dashboard for our users and subscribers to take advantage of. Our AI and our machine learning algorithms having sifted through all stocks in the market to find the ones with the most unusual signals of institutional bullish pressure, big market makers. 330% increase from what is normally seen there. No wonder the stock jumps over 12% as a result. Now, it's important to get that information early. You could see on our Trade Algo Alerts tab that CHWY Chewy is identified at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with 1.5 times the average amount of institutional green bullish pressure than is normally seen there. If you were to, let's say, have gotten your information from the news or different retail sources and outlets, maybe you would have seen something like this. Chewy reports mixed earnings, lowers profit forecasts, which is typically a very bearish signal. That was published yesterday, Wednesday, December the 6th. Or maybe you would have seen heard on the street, Chewy stock is in the doghouse. All of these negative things connotating that there might be a drop in the stock. However, it looks like behind a closed door, there's a huge increase in institutional bullish pressure. They're the ones who control most of the market anyways with their volume. So if you had followed smart money transactions, boom, over a 12% jump when a lot of people are expecting it to then go lower based on those results. It's important on where you get your information from and your data. Typically, only $112 million of Chewy stock is traded over a previous 7-day average in private exchanges by market makers. Today alone, over $370 million. So hundreds of millions of extra dollars, fraction of the amount of time some of the most influential market makers. Now this move starts to make a little bit more sense. And you saw that time stamped at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you had followed smart money transactions and done call options, take a look at this massive list of triple and even quadruple digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the Chewy $19 call option, where you're going to go take a look at the 5-minute chart, because we know that our AI picked it up at 9:34 Eastern Standard Time. This is the 9:35 candle at its maximum, a 500% return, rounding out the day, 384 from when the AI picked it up. It's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it, though. It's about getting access to the information and the data down here with TradeAlgo, as opposed to hearing it over here after it's already made that move. Right? So maybe you didn't even get into the trade until 10:30 a.m. and maybe you got out a little bit early and you still made 150%. Get your data down here. Don't chase it over here. And it wasn't just Chewy. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them today. So let's just take a look at one or two more. We actually have them sitting right next to each other. We have WBA and AMD, massive companies with huge signals of institutional bullish volume, both jumping more than 6% as a result. If we go to our Trade Algo Alerts tab, we can see that our lightning fast technology able to pick up on WBA at 10:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and AMD at 8:19, so this would have been in the pre-market. We can start off with AMD here. The reason the technology is picking it up is because it's sifting through millions and millions of private exchange trades at split-second speed, over $7 billion of institutional bullish pressure than what it would normally get. If you had done a trade on AMD today, following smart money transactions, quadruple digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $123 call option, and I'll show you why I picked this one specifically here in just a second. From the very beginning of the day, our AI picked it up in the pre-market to its maximum. That's an over 800% return. Again, it's not about getting every single last percentage point out of it. Congratulations to one of our users who shared this awesome success story with us in our live trading room today, having hopped into the AMD 123 call option, just using the main dashboard, Easy as that at a snap of a finger at the beginning of the morning and making a 137% return. I'm sure they're not upset that it wasn't 810. Triple digit return, AI did basically everything for you. Welcome to TradeAlgo. If we go to check on WBA here to wrap up this Thursday, December the 7th, which is Walgreens, you could see a really great list of triple and quadruple digit returns there as well. Let's say you had done the $22 call option. Remember, 10:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time it was identified. So this is the 10:15 candle. This would have been 5 or 6 minutes later. It's maximum a nice triple digit return. We had someone sharing a success story with us saying, hey, thank you so much to TradeAlgo. Hopped into WBA, the $22 call option, made a quick 102% on it. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.